Sai Ram children, how are you? Welcome to today's craft session. Children, tell me which festival come in the month of August? Yes, Raksha Bandhan. You tie your Rakis to your brothers. So, today we are going to make Rakhi with a waste material. Okay children? All are ready? Okay. See things required to make Rakhi. Yes. One rough cloth. Then rubber band, rice, some decorative materials, fancy ribbon, satin ribbon, fancy thread, fevicol and scissor. Okay. We are going to make Rakhi with the waste material whichever is available at your home. Now children, we will take this rough cloth. We will put two fingers like this. Okay, and we'll make a balloon type structure here like this, twist it, and then we'll cut with the scissor. Now children, we have this cloth after cutting. Now next step, what we are going to do, we are going to put rice. Okay, some rice in this. Okay, now after that we will twist it and put a rubber band. Now can you see here? Yes children? Now what we are going to do the next step? We are just going to spread. It looks like a flower. See, now our flower is ready. Okay. Now next step what we will do? We will take this fancy band. We will put some fevicol here. Now this flower what we are going to do? We are going to stick in middle. Okay, nicely. Yes. After that what we are going to do? We are going to put some decorative materials on Rakhi. Now we are going to stick. Now see, our Rakhi is prepared. Okay children, you can use anything here, that is satin ribbon and fancy thread and whatever decorative material is available at your home. Yes children? So our Rakhi is ready with the waste material. Now children, see, our Rakhi is ready. Yes? Wow, so nice Rakhi. Yes children? Now see, I have made one more Rakhi with the waste material, with a rough cloth. Yes children, can you see? Yes. Wow. So we have made Rakhi today with the waste material. Okay children, happy Rakhi to you all. Bye bye children.